Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lauretta and welcome to this channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Evita's product. I received this product some months ago. I was supposed to do a review at the time. I actually did do a review, but I lost the footage. Also, I couldn't film during that time, and so here we are doing a review of it again. So I feel this is almost like the perfect time, or like a better time for me to do a review, because I've used the product for about 4 to 5 months now, and I personally feel I'm better able to give you guys a good and full review from a user's perspective. So first off, Evita is a Ghanaian owned brand. Personally, I feel with the branding and everything, the way everything is structured, I personally feel it could compete with other international brands. Okay, let's just get that out of the way. So I have the products here, not everything, but almost anything and everything you need for like an everyday makeup look, full face look. So I have brushes, lip gloss, brow products, and highlighter in here. I'll send these some of the products, but I recently purchased some of the new lip glosses, and so we're going to talk about all of that, like a full on review. So start off, you're going to start with the brow products. This is the Evita Joseph's High Definition Expert Brow. There are different shades of this. I have Midnight Drop and Rich Espresso. I feel if you're my skin tone, these two would work perfectly for you. The Midnight Drop if you want to go for like a very bold brow look, and also the Rich Espresso if you want to go for something very natural looking. But today I'll be using this one. I also want to say that you don't need to sharpen this product, this brow pencil. Obviously it rolls up and down like this, so you don't need to sharpen it. It requires no sharpener. You don't need to be looking for a sharpener every time you want to sharpen your brow pencil. You understand me, right? Every time, for me, a clumsy person like me who likes to misplace everything, I don't have sharpeners for my pencils and all of that, so I feel this is very good. You just roll it up. It's already pointy, so it gives like a very natural defined brow. You know, some brow products get very oily during the day. This doesn't do that because it's not oil based, I believe. So it's waterproof, and it's also gives a very matte finish, and they sell for 30 cedis each on the website. Yeah, 30 Ghana. So next thing I'm going to use to conceal my brow is the detailed brow brush. It's an angled brush, and so it works perfect for eyebrows. It sells for 30 cedis on the website, but there's also another brow brush which you could consider on the website as well. I think that's like specifically made for brows, so if you don't like an angled brush, you can go for that one instead. The next is the foundation brush, the Ultimate Face Buffer. It sells for 50 cedis on the website, and I feel this is like an upgrade of the old foundation brush they had, because the old foundation brush was much shorter than this and it wasn't this dense, and so this is definitely an upgrade because I've seen that one before and this looks different from it. This brush, when I'm washing it, most of the time all I do is to just like use some liquid soap, warm water to get the foundation out of the brush, and you're good to go. Aside that, I think everything is fine. It blends foundation really well, like really well. Okay, it blends my foundation so well, better than my beauty blender even does. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's blending the foundation out really well. Like I was saying, it just blends everything out to give you like a very nice, even smoothness on your face. Okay, that's how good this brush is. Nowadays, I don't use my beauty blender to blend my foundation. I feel it's even like a no for me because this just does the job better. And so I prefer this over my beauty blender all the time, every single time. So as you can see, it's blended everything out really well. There's like no harsh lines or anything of that, so it just does the job well, perfectly. You get me, right? So the next two brushes that I'm going to use are the classic shader and the deluxe blender. The deluxe blender, let me tell you guys something, this brush blends everything for me. Okay, sometimes I used to do my nose contour and all of that. It's an eyeshadow brush. It blends your eyeshadow very well, just so well. And the deluxe the classic shader is also an eyeshadow brush. I'll use this to pack on anything onto my eyelids, and so I'm going to use these two for my eyeshadow right now. So I don't know if you guys can see, the brushes blend my eyeshadow very well. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my lashes and my eyeliner, and then we'll talk about the rest of the products, okay? Next on the list is the Evita Joseph's classic highlighter brush. This brush, it sells for 50 cedis. Let me tell you something about this brush. The first time I washed it, I freaked out because the brush opened up so wide, okay? I guess like it was with how I washed the brush. It opened up so wide and I freaked out so much, and I contacted Evita Joseph and I asked her like, what's up with the brush? And she was like, you just need to put this thing on and it's fine. And I didn't know that. Like, I felt so stupid after I was like, oh my god, okay. I felt so stupid. So like the brush, when you're washing them, I mean all the brushes, okay, they come with this thing right here. When you're washing them, and when you're done washing them, before you dry them, you just need to put this on and it will bring the brush back to its normal shape. So when you're washing them and you know, like you see something like that, don't freak out like I did, okay? I thought I spoiled the brushes actually, so don't freak out like me. It's normal and the brushes will come back to normal. So this is a highlighter brush. It sells for 50 cedis as well. I'm going to use it with the Evita Joseph Star Reflect highlighter. This is 80 cedis on the website. I got the Star Reflect in Cosmios, guys, I don't know how to pronounce this one, okay? This is what it is. I don't know, Cosmios, how about that? I don't know. I tried googling the word and I couldn't find it, so I don't know where that word is from, but anyways, let me just swatch this for you guys to see how it swatches. This is what it looks like. It's very pigmented. If you are an overachiever with highlighters, you are warned, okay? Like for real, you are warned. If you're an overachiever with highlighters, these highlighters are going to blind you because they are so pigmented. You need to use like something really small. Just a little goes a long way. So I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this to highlight my cheeks. And you have to blend this well, okay? Just tiny bits. I don't know if you guys can see, like it's already showing. I'm not even touching the pan, okay? I'm just using something really small and it's already showing. For this highlighter, me personally, I don't mind layering it. I just need to go like tiny bits to layer it. You don't have to like dip it inside. When you do that, you're going to blind everyone. Don't do that, okay? I know some of you are overachievers when it comes to highlighters. Don't do that with this one. Just something small goes a long way. I don't know, something about highlighters just make me so happy. When I'm doing my makeup and I'm in a bad mood, when I get to this side, I'm so happy, okay? Guys, I got so excited about the highlighters that I forgot to do my powder. That's why my face looks so oily like this, so greasy. The next brush is the overall powder brush. This brush, it has like, it's not a round shape, it's almost flat somehow. I feel it's designed to help you like pack on your powder without doing this, because this is a very wrong way to do it. Like this going all around is very wrong. And so this brush, personally, I feel is designed to stop you from doing that, because you can only do this with it. The moment you start doing this, you are like dragging your foundation and everything, and that's not good. The next last products are the new Evita Joseph's lip glosses. I got it in Kickoff and Utility. Kickoff is a clear gloss like this, like if you just want a natural clear gloss, and Utility is a bit pigmented, like nude-ish type of thing. I like this for the days I don't wear makeup. I've been using this for just about 2 days now, and I love it so much. I like this for the days I don't wear makeup, and the combination of these two for the days I wear makeup. So I'm going to be using these two, but first I want to swatch this for you to see how clear it is. Okay, this is what Kickoff looks like on my lips, bare, just Kickoff alone. And I'm going to top up with Utility just in the center here, and I'll spread it all around. So guys, that's it. This is also the lip gloss. This is Kickoff and Utility mixed together, and this is what it looks like. I hope you like this video. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.